Okay, first we're gonna multiply. We're gonna divide 1 plus 6i over 3 plus 6i. And we're going to write it in the form of a plus bi, okay? So we're going to rewrite this. So we're dividing these two things out. Let me maybe zoom in a little bit here. All right. Okay, maybe that's a little bit easier to see. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to multiply the denominator by 3 minus 6i. Why? Because by flipping the sign, we multiply by the complex conjugate. It's going to get rid of the imaginary number in the denominator. And we're going to multiply the top also by 3 minus 6i. Now when we do this, we have this nice formula where a plus bi times a minus bi is equal to a squared plus b squared. Where here 3 is equal to a, 6 is equal to b, or here we can see 3 is equal to a, 6 is equal to b. So this is going, my denominator is going to be 3 squared plus 6 squared, which is going to be 45, right? Because 3 squared is 9, 6 squared is 36, so 9 plus 36 is 45. And this is going to be 1 plus 6i times 3 minus 6i. And like I said before, this gives us 1 plus 6i times 3 minus 6i divided by 9 plus 36, which gives us 1 plus 6i times 3 minus 6i. And what do we have on bottom? We have a 45, because 9 plus 36 is 45. All right. So where do we go from here? Well, let's multiply the top out now. We accomplished, we made a great accomplishment here. We got rid of the I in the denominator. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do 1 times 3 is 3. And we're going to do 1 times negative 6i is negative 6i. And we're going to do 6i times 3 is going to be plus 18i. And we're going to do 6i times negative 6i is going to be negative 36i squared. Because 6 times negative 6 is negative 36, I times I is I squared. And of course we have 45 on the bottom. And where do we go from here? Well, I squared is negative 1. So this is going to be equal to 3 minus 6i and plus 18i is going to be plus 12i. And negative minus 36, and I squared is always negative 1, all over 45, which is going to equal to 3 plus 12i. Negative 1 and negative 36 is going to be positive 36, all over 45. And 3 and 36 is 39, so it's going to be 39 plus 12i divided by 45, which is the same as 39 divided by 45 plus 12i divided by 45. Now it's in the form of a plus bi, but we're going to reduce these fractions a little bit. Okay? So 39 is the same as 3 times 13, and 45 is the same as 3 times 15, plus 12 is the same as 3 times 4, and we have I over here. 45, like we said, is 3 times 15. Now the 3's cancel, and we're left with 13 divided by 15, plus 4 times 15 times I. Okay? So I hope that answered the question, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.